Zipper? Zipper, show him how the remote gets on your nerves. Go ahead. Yeah. Where's the remote, dude? It gets on your nerves, doesn't it? Let's show him what you do. Yes. Show them what you do. Mm. This is what happens if you change the channel you're watching. Mm. This is the volume one. You get a little upset with that one. I think you get more upset with that one. Yeah. The cat to choose on remotes. Zipper, Zipper, leave your sister alone. Have a bed. Ow, that's not nice. That's not nice. Now why can't I get the remote back? It's mine, it's not yours. Come on, be nice boy, nice boy. Come on, get it. Ah! Give her. Xavier, you're smiling while you're punching me. Oh, leave my phone alone. Xavier, thank you. Hey. No, you can't chew on my phone. No.